Hey everyone, and welcome to the Complete CSS course. I'm destriegieta, and I'm thrilled to guide you on this journey to mastering the art of styling web pages. In this course, we'll go from the absolute basics of CSS, like how to target elements and apply simple styles, all the way to advanced techniques like responsive design, animations, and even CSS grid. Whether you're a complete beginner or have some experience with HTML, this course will equip you with the skills you need to create beautiful and engaging websites. So, grab your code editor and let's dive into the exciting world of CSS. Let's start with the basics. What exactly is CSS? CSS stands for Cascading Style Sheets. Think of HTML as the structure of your website. It's the content, the headings, the paragraphs. CSS, on the other hand, is what makes that structure look good. It's what allows you to control colors, fonts, layouts, and so much more. So, how does CSS work with HTML? It's actually quite simple. HTML provides the content and structure, and CSS provides the style rules that dictate how that content should be displayed. They work together seamlessly. You can think of it like this. HTML is the blueprint of a house, and CSS is the interior designer that makes it a home. Where do we actually put our CSS code? There are three main ways: inline styles, internal style sheets, and external style sheets. Inline styles are applied directly to individual HTML elements using the style attribute. For example, p_style equals color, red. This is a red paragraph /p. While this is quick for small, one-off changes, it's generally not recommended for larger projects because it makes your code difficult to maintain. Internal style sheets are placed within the head section of your HTML document using the style tag. This is a better approach than inline styles, and even our HTML looks cleaner, but it's still not ideal for large websites. For example, I will give another heading and paragraph element on the bottom here, and styling it using internal style sheet. As you can see, the CSS rules are now contained within the style tags in the head. This keeps the HTML cleaner and separates the styling from the content. However, imagine having hundreds of these style rules for a complex website. The head section would become very long and difficult to manage. This is why external style sheets are generally preferred for larger projects. The best practice, and the one we'll be focusing on in this course, is using external style sheets. This involves creating a separate CSS file, usually named styles.css or something similar, and linking it to your HTML document using the link tag. This keeps your HTML clean and organized, and it makes your CSS reusable across multiple pages. We're going to learn how to use external style sheets. Our index.html file currently has its styling embedded directly within the HTML using style tags. This is known as an internal style sheet. We'll improve this by creating a new file called styles.css. The .css extension is very important. It's how the browser knows this file contains CSS code. Next, cut the actual CSS code. That's the code inside those style tags in index.html, and paste it into your new styles.css file. After that, you can delete the style tags and everything between them from index.html because the styling will now be handled externally. We've moved the CSS to styles.css, but index.html doesn't know about it yet. We established this connection using a link tag in the head section. Link rel equals style sheet ref equals styles.css. This tag creates the link, telling the browser, here's where you can find the styles. Rel equals style sheet identifies the link as a style sheet, and ref provides the path to the file. If we save both files and refresh our browser, you'll see that the heading and paragraph still look exactly the same. This is because we've successfully linked our external style sheet, and the browser is now using the styles defined in styles.css to style our HTML content. The real power of external style sheets is their reusability. we'll see how to use our styles.css with another HTML page. To show you how it works, I'll copy index.html and paste it into the same folder, renaming the copy to example.html. Let's open example.html and modify its heading and paragraph text to differentiate it from index.html. Then, we'll open it in a browser using Live Server. As you can see, the styling will remain consistent because both index.html and example.html link to the same styles.css file. If we change the styles in styles.css, it will automatically update both pages. This is the key benefit of external style sheets: organized code and simplified website maintenance. This is how we'll be working with CSS throughout this course. External style sheets are the way to go for building maintainable and scalable websites. In the next video, we'll dive deeper into CSS selectors and learn how to target specific HTML elements for styling. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel for more web development tutorials. And if you have any questions, feel free to ask in the comments below.